sprayed it in my mouth a little. Like, I smell good. Like, I shouldn't be going to bed alone. Okay, I shouldn't be. I shouldn't be, but I am. Queens, welcome back to my channel. This is Be The Beat, if you didn't already know. And if you didn't already know, that means you're new here, and I just want to say welcome. Welcome on into the Dossier party, okay? So today's video, your girl just wanted to get pretty, okay? I have just been feeling a little bit down the last few days, and I was like, you know what? I worked today, and I didn't want to just come home and continue to feel down. So I was like, you know what? We're gonna get dressed, we're gonna do our makeup, we're gonna install a wig, and we're gonna put on our bomb fragrance, okay? We're gonna smell good, because when you smell good, you look good, you feel good, okay? So this is a pick me up video. This is your sign to get up and put your makeup on, put on some cute clothes, let your titties out, and let's feel good about ourselves, okay? So today we do have a partnership for this video, and I just want to say thank you to Dossier for partnering with your girl in this video, sending me up with some fragrances. I love them all. So that's what we're doing tonight. It is currently 1 a.m. I've been filming a lot of content tonight, so applause for me, okay? Your girls are getting some shit. As we all know, Dossier is a fragrance company that prides themselves in creating affordable dupes to high-end, expensive fragrances. And baby girl, I love a bargain, okay? I love a bargain. I love a dupe. Call me the dupe queen. The fragrance I'm bringing to y'all tonight is Ambery Saffron. So this fragrance is inspired by Baccarat. I know y'all have heard about Baccarat. Like, everybody's talking about the Baccarat fragrance. The girls are living on the internet, and I got my hands on the dupe, and I'm all here for a dupe, baby. Like, let's get an affordable version, okay? Because these luxury high-end fragrances are expensive, but Dossier is known for creating the dupes without sacrificing the quality. And let me just tell you, this just smells so it smells so good. And this is honestly, I believe this is a unisex fragrance. The top notes are saffron, orange, and blossom. Middle notes are jasmine, plum, and cedarwood. And base notes are oak moss, fir balsam, and amber. It smells amazing. Like, it's like I want to smell like this, but I also, like, when I hug up on my man real close and he starts to smell like me a little bit, I'm not gonna be bothered by it, you know? Like, let's go ahead. Ooh, it's just so grown. Like, it's just so grown. Like, I just want to hug myself. Like, okay. It's so different for me. Like, as y'all know, like, if you're not new to my channel, you've heard me talk about in my last few videos how I am interested in getting into luxury fragrances. So go ahead and pick up your Dossier fragrances. This one is probably in my top 3. Like, which I don't have a whole lot of fragrances. I'm very new to the game, but my point is, this one made its way to the top very quickly. It smells amazing. This fragrance makes me want to bang. Like, I'm trying to go to dinner, have my man, like, he can't even sit across the table from me. I smell so good. Like, he got to scoot next to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what this is doing, okay? And we all want to be closer today, whoever that may be. To be honest, I've never smelled the original Baccarat, but everybody talks about it, and I'm just like, I gotta try it. But now I'm not even pressed to go see what the other one smells like. Like, I got this right here. Like, I'm good, love. Y'all enjoy the hundreds of dollars that you're spending on these fragrances when you can spend $29. Okay, and they have bundle deals. The more you buy, the more you save. So go ahead and check out the site. I will leave the link down below and my discount code. So let's go ahead and get pretty. If you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then keep on watching. Let's get into the look. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this wig installed. Your girl's been feeling a little bit a type of way lately. Like, then I would say maybe a rough, like, week or so. Like, we're not trying to feed into that, you know what I'm saying? So we're just going to live your life. No, this is not making any sense, but bottom line, I just want to feel pretty. I want to look good. I want to feel good. So I'm doing my makeup, doing my hair tonight, like installing my wig or whatever. My lash extensions, I do need to feel, like I said, I've been kind of having an off week, so like your girl has been crying my lashes out, which is a shame because girl, who's trying to cry some lashes? But my sister is gonna give me a filling soon. I'm trying this new spray, so I've been seeing the girls talking about what is it, Eben, whatever, child. Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray, extra mega hold in the original. So I picked this up the last time I was at the beauty supply store. If y'all follow me on Instagram, if you don't, go ahead and do that. But if you follow me on Instagram, you saw my my last few pictures. I had like a long faux braided pony. Okay, so I actually bought this when I picked up the supplies to do that, so I could like try to make my hair lay extremely flat, but I didn't even end up using it. But anyway, we're gonna use this today for melting my wig cap because I'm out of got to be, and I bought this, so let's try it, shall we? Shut up. Let me cut some holes in these, but I'm scared I'm gonna cut my lashes, chair. Okay, I like the way it sprays. Nice clean cut spray. This daggone spray is the truth, because usually like I get a little messy when I spray it, and like I get glue all the way down here and have to like rip the stocking cap up a little bit. And baby, this stocking cap is not trying to budge, but it be budging with the got to be. So like this stuff, I mean, it's sticking, okay? This spray is the truth. I might not buy got to be no more because this spray is strong. Like this spray is black woman strong. Like that ball cap is in there, okay?
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on the shirt.
Mom, woman with mediums.
Hey, Mom.
Girl, how come your mama was turning heads everywhere she went?
And why wouldn't she be?
I mean, today this must have been like an extra touch on it or something, because this is what she was serving.
Period. It's giving body yaddy yaddy. Go ahead and show the people. Go ahead and show the people. What was it giving?
Waitress.
What was it giving? What was it? Oh, it's giving. Period.
Waitress, she said, oh, you just look so pretty. I said, well, thank you. And then got over there to the seat, and then the waitress who had waited on us one time before she came in, she's like, oh my God, I saw y'all from across the room. I don't know if you remember me.
You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman to serve good things. This for the diamond, head for the ring. Baby, you're a star.
Alright, y'all, wig is on my head. I've wrapped an elastic band around my edges so it can set while I do my makeup. Okay, so I'm feeling like a bitch already. Okay, the fragrance, the hair, it's already working, and the makeup is about to put the icing on the cake. Okay, I'm just gonna use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, because that's how you gotta feel, ladies. Like, you can't let your feelings or your negative thoughts stop you. Like, can't stop won't stop over here. Anyway, like, you can't let anything stop you. Can't stop won't stop is the name of the game and the name of this foundation. I'm not gonna use a whole lot because it's very full coverage. And a little more. As I just said, I wasn't finna use it much. Girl, y'all know who I am, and y'all know I like a lot of product. Y'all know I get heavy-handed with the product, so don't even act like it, like you don't know what I'm talking about. But if you're new here, you might not know, but your girl likes a lot of product. I like a cake face, but make it natural. All right, so I did a couple steps off camera because my mama called me and she needed some help with her YouTube channel. But by the way, y'all go subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. She has one that's for kids because my mom's a teacher. It's got like learning and stuff. And so y'all subscribe to that one if y'all like have kids, or just subscribe anyway. And then she's also making a personal channel for like physical, mental, and spiritual development. My mom is a bodybuilder. Like, my mom is lit. She's like Instagram viral, like everything. Okay, so just follow her. I'll leave her link somewhere on the page. Okay, anyway, so this is a Giorgio Armani concealer. It's fancy, brighten even more because I want to be right under the eyes. I'm gonna clean up this contour because it got a little messy. And that was a NARS foundation that's my complexion, just to clean up my contour under there, make sure everything is, you know, put together. Yes, the skin is together, baby. Okay, the skin is together, the skin is sitting. Y'all, I'm so over wearing like face masks because like I don't wear makeup to work because I have to wear a mask. So it's not like you can see my face, see the beats, and it's like that's one of the whole reasons I moved to Atlanta, was so I could gain my clientele, you know, go to work, have my face done, meet some clients. But girl, I got a mask on. How Sway? Tell me how. The mask is cramping my style. Lashes on, I wear zero eyeshadow, like maybe a little bronzer, but I don't be fooling around with that. No thank you, ma'am. The face is almost done. We're gonna go ahead and take this band off so I can, you know, make sure my forehead is good. Well, I already know it's not gonna be good because half my forehead is covered up, but I need to go ahead and untie this, which I always have a hard time untying these. I really just be ready to cut it because, you know what? That's what I'm gonna do. I got a whole roll of this left. I ain't even need to hold on to this one strip because I'm like, why I be tying this thing so dang tight and then I can't never get it off. Lord, this junk thick. Ooh, little mama, she thick. Y'all, I can't cut through this. I'm about to just pull it off like a headband. What a freak. Whew. Okay. My forehead looks crazy, but it's okay. We're gonna get it together. I look good. Wow. I don't even need to flat iron this. Like, I just love this kind of like blown out look that it's giving because I let this air dry after I washed it one day. So it's just kind of giving me like blowout vibes and I love it. Like, I don't even want to flat iron it. But I do need to like get my wax stick and lay like my part down so it's super flat. So let me find that and let's get into it, okay? Before I do that, let me go ahead and finish my makeup actually, because girl, you didn't even finish your face. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm gonna use this NYX matte bronzer that I got for free because at Ulta they be having gifts and points and stuff. So I actually like this bronzer a lot. It is in the shade medium, which is, you know, whatever. She's giving face. She's giving body. She's giving unit. Y'all have to forgive me. Like, I feel like I'm a little all over myself tonight. Like, I haven't filmed in weeks. Like, I feel like I'm kind of like all over myself. The face is good. The face looks amazing. Let me plug the flat iron up and find my wax stick so we can get this together, okay? All right, queens, this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed chit-chatting and kicking with me a little bit. But my whole point of this video was to just kind of like lift my spirits, feel better, like self-care, girl, self-love, because your girl has needed it, okay? Like, drop some encouraging words down below if you have them for your girl, okay? Because I'm going through it a little bit, but I promise you tonight made me feel better because I got glammed up. The things is stinging, the unit is sitting, and your girl smells like $1,000,000. Your girl smells like baccarat, okay? And don't forget, if you're interested in trying out a Dossier fragrance, I will leave the link to this one down in the description box, as well as the previous ones that I tried out on my other video. I'll leave the links below along with my discount code. So if you want to shop with Dossier, do not forget to use my discount code to save the coin on top of coin, because they're already giving you a discount. They're already discounting the fragrances down, and you can get an extra % off too. So don't forget to check it out. Packaging is everything. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I love you so much. Beats and love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that. All right.